Hello everyone, myself Shwanopal of class 12A is going to present a short video on the chapter Basic Concept of Inheritance, a short topic from that chapter. It's the difference between the test cross and the back cross. So what's a test cross? The test cross is done, it's a cross between the unknown dominant phenotype with the recessive parent only. So what's the meaning of the unknown dominant phenotype? The thing that's unknown, the terminology unknown means the thing that's not known, that we can find out by the prediction of something or by experimental thing. That thing that the Mendel did is by experimental thing, that's a test cross. The test cross is done by the Mendel. It's done by Mendel, our Gregor Johann Mendel. He did the experiment to prove that know the genotype of an unknown dominant phenotype. So I will be discussing this concept over here. That's what's a test cross. So the test cross is the cross between the unknown dominant phenotype with the recessive parent only. Here recessive means the small t's. Here so the recessive term is used when something characters is not expressed fully in the F1 generation, but in unknown dominant phenotype, dominant means the thing that's the morphology or something is easily seen on our closed eyes. The thing that's visible to us is like that the dominant thing, the thing that's more visible in the nature. So the purpose of next point we come to is the purpose. The purpose of this class is to find out the genotype of an unknown phenotype. We have to find out the genotype of the unknown dominant phenotype. The thing that I written in this first point, you have to find the genotype. So the cross is like that only, to find the genotype of the unknown phenotype, the dominant phenotype. So as a cross, I have taken the point capital T, capital T, capital T. These are the traits of the India plant that Mendel took. These are the two traits. That is, the capital T means the height, that's the tallness, and small t that is dwarfness. So according to this, I have crossed between these two. Why I have crossed between two? Yes, the cross between these two is between the unknown dominant phenotype. It is the unknown dominant phenotype, means dominant. Capital T, so it's dominant. And with the recessive parent only. The recessive means small t. Always the recessive parent is always capital small t. So we have taken the cross, and the resultant F1 generation, this is first filial 1 generation. F1 is F1 generation. Is F1 generation of the first filial 1 generation that having capital T and small t. So it proves that the unknown dominant phenotype is 100% tall. That's T is dominant over here. I told you before that capital T is dominant over here, so it's 100% tall. This proves that the unknown dominant phenotype is homozygous state. It's in the homozygous state. So this was the first case by the Mendel, and the second case he took is the unknown dominant phenotype. Here is also a dominant capital T small t. So it's only dominant and with the recessive small t. So again it's a cross. So the F1 generation, the first filial 1 generation, is the capital T small t, capital small t. So it proves that the 50% also it's written that the capital T indicates that it's a dominant, so it's 50% tall, and the small t indicates that if it's 50% dwarf. Here it is given that small t means 50% dwarf. Hence it's proved that the unknown dominant phenotype is a heterozygous state. Am I clear with this? Let me repeat once again. So what's a test cross? Test cross was done by Gregor Johann Mendel. He proved this with experiment between the characteristics of the traits of a pea plant. He crossed between the for this experiment he crossed between the unknown dominant phenotype, the thing that's not known to us, with recessive parent only. Only he crossed with the unknown dominant phenotype with the recessive parent. Recessive parent means these two. This. These are the parents with which we are crossed. So recessive means small t. Unknown dominant means small t, the thing that's visible to. So in case 1, we have taken the small capital T, that is unknown dominant phenotype, dominant with the recessive parent. With the recessive, that's coming the 100% tall, which proves that it's a homozygous state. Next, we have shown the dominant phenotype parent with the recessive parent. The recessive parent, that's according to the thing. So it's coming the 50% tall, that is capital T small t, and small t, that is 50% tall, which shows that is in the heterozygous state. So this was all for test cross. Thank you.